Okay, let's see, I don't think I've done a video this year for 2018, so this is going to be the first video of the year. And I kind of just wanted to share what the plan is and, how we're going. So, after the holidays, first week of trading went by, and I did okay. Let's see, I think I finished the week at about 500, roughly. Yeah, they were about $500. My last 3 trades was on Thursday, and I didn't do so well. And I kind of have these notes here just to remind myself so I can get back on track. I was kind of chasing and stuff, but I know what I did wrong, and I'm planning to remedy that a little bit this week. Now that the holidays are over and the markets return to normal, it looks like it can return to the game plan. So here's my current metrics. Win accuracy 58%, to losing 41. 25 to 18 wins. Profits 7,900 to losses 4,000. So if we round to 8, round up and round down, we have our 2-to-1 profit loss ratio right here. And since December 8th, overall net at $3,800. So that's not bad. That's get rid of the holidays. We have 3 weeks of trading there. Here they are, and I also have them on my other sheet here that I've been using. But I prefer my own log. Makes a little bit more sense to me. So, one of the changes for 2018 is, as everybody knows, I'm in this wire trading program, and I upgraded to the Pro course. So, I did well with the starter course. Fortunately, it was a little basic for me, but I still did learn some things. But most importantly, I got time in to practice my strategies, or actually find and learn a strategy and practice it. So now, I'm hoping to get even more of an edge and fine-tune. And so one of the things that I'm going to be doing, that I've completed this first month, is I'm actually just created my own account with Trade Idea so that I have my own active scanner. And so now, up until now, I've been using the scanner in the chat room. And what this will do for me is I'll get hopefully more real-time alerts. The other one in the chat was a little bit laggy, because I would hear the audio alerts come in, and then 3 seconds later, sometimes 2 seconds later, it's like the screen would refresh. And I think, that's kind of what happened a little bit to me on Thursday, is I was chasing. Got a little bit of FOMO, wanted to trade, and so I realized that not knowing, ultimately right away or soon enough was causing me to take trades that I may have otherwise not have taken. It was causing me to break the rules, essentially, that I should not. That's, look at line 42 here, broke the rules, chased, and I bought at the high of day. I think that was 1 cent at the high of day, at that current time in the morning. And again, same thing on the next stock, bought high of day. one of those I was up a little bit through a halt, and then it came right back down. But so nonetheless, what's kind of cool is I'm still working on the settings for this. I'll get the settings later on through the Warrior Trading Pro course. But until now, I'm trying to, create similar settings so I get the same stocks. And so I got some settings here that will sort of give me the same stock. So I'm looking here at the third, and for HGSH, for example, it's one that I traded here, So the settings are close, I just need to fine tune them probably to get, everything that's in the class, or actually in the chat room's momentum scanner onto my scanner. And what's cool is, so notice this was the 3rd, today's the 7th. I actually went back to look in the history of that day and test that day's parameters. And so that's what's really interesting is, you can make settings in here and see if you're finding the stocks that everybody else is trading on any given day, it looks like. So there's settings in here, specific alerts, and so I'm still working on them. So that's pretty cool. So let's see, so December was a really strong month for stocks, I guess, and it looks like in January we're still seeing pretty good. CNET was one that I didn't trade, but it was one that popped a lot this week, I think. What was this? That was Thursday, end of day Thursday, I believe. And it went from $4 up to $12, at around 11 o'clock. So I had already gone to work for the day. So it looks like overall stocks, the market's still strong, which is good. So in light of that, I've also come up on my 30-day trading plan, and I have a proven strategy in the short term. And so one of the plans for this year will also be to switch over to a cash account. So I'm currently in the process of moving some money around, and as soon as that's done, I actually will switch over to a cash account, and I'm pretty sure I'm decided to go with Lightspeed trading brokerage, and take advantage of the commission discount that available to the Warrior Trading Pro students. So that's kind of the update, the outlook of this year, and we're just gonna just keep moving forward and see what happens. So tomorrow I'll be trading still in the simulator, but I'm gonna test out the scanner, and hopefully the scanner shows gives me a little bit better of an edge, maybe I could say. And I'm hoping that translates, over to when I get the real cash account up and running, so that I can better be better disciplined, shall I say? So that's the update for the year. It's about 9 o'clock now, so on a Sunday. Stock market opens tomorrow, and just gonna get some rest now, so that I can start the week off fresh. All right, so thanks for those still watching. All right.